Stop icing your knee. That sharp pain below your kneecap isn't inflammation. It's your tendon actively dying because you treated it like a muscle. We used to call this tendinitis, assuming it was on fire. But biopsies show zero inflammatory cells. It's actually tendinopathy, a state of cellular degeneration where collagen fibers become disorganized and mushy, like an overstretched rope starting to fray. Here is the trap that ruins runners. You rest for 2 weeks, the pain fades, so you run again. But the pain comes roaring back immediately. Why? Because while rest settles the pain, it actively reduces the tendon's ability to handle force. Your patellar tendon is a spring, not a motor. When you sprint or run downhill, you aren't just using muscle. You are putting massive multiples of your body weight through that connective tissue. The injury happens when the load exceeds the spring stiffness. You need to stop the pain without stopping the loading. The secret weapon is isometric loading. Holding a heavy static load works like a painkiller by inhibiting the cortical pathways that signal pain, giving you a window to train. Isometrics kill the pain, but heavy slow resistance, HSR, builds the cure. We need to stiffen that spring back up. We use a 3-second down, 3-second up tempo. This mechanical tension signals the collagen fibers to realign in parallel, restoring tensile strength. To isolate this properly, most runners need a declined slant board. Elevating the heels to 25 degrees takes the calf out of the equation and maximizes the lever arm on the knee. Do this consistently, and you don't just heal the injury. You make the tendon bulletproof. Fix the load, fix the tendon. Run smart.